For our single replacement reaction, I'm going to be adding 3 milliliters of HCl to one of my test tubes. Once I have my HCl, I'm going to take my piece of zinc and I'm going to drop it in. Now, what we instantly begin to notice is that my zinc has begun to bubble within that HCl. So I'm going to take this empty test tube and I'm going to hold it over top this. I am trying to catch that gas that is being produced from those bubbles. And I'm going to sit here and catch my gas for a little bit. So let's wait. Now you notice I'm getting a good seal on my gas because I don't want any of it escaping. All right, once I think I've captured a good amount of gas, I am going to check if hydrogen gas is present. In the reaction between zinc and hydrochloric acid, the single replacement reaction should occur, creating zinc oxide and hydrogen gas. Now, hydrogen gas, when it's lit on fire, makes this yipping noise, kind of like if you stepped on a small dog. Not that you should step on small dogs, but kind of like that. So if hydrogen gas is present and we light it on fire, we are going to hear that noise. So let's find out. I'm going to take my wooden splint, I'm going to light in my Bunsen burner just like I showed you before, and hopefully we get that yipping pop noise. Let's see. And there we have it. We have hydrogen gas present.